have live visuals coming in, viewers. Let's take a look at what we are seeing on our screen. Stage 3 is joining us live on the broadcast. Stage 3. Manish Sisodia is now at Rajghat as we speak. This is a massive show of strength by the Aam Aadmi Party. BJP says that it is Manish Sisodia and the Aam Aadmi Party which is trying to play the victim card. Take us through the visuals, the significance, the messaging which the Aam Aadmi Party is trying to give through these visits, visit to Hanuman Temple, to Rajghat, and what the BJP has to say about it.
Well, you see, there were many, the leaders from Aam Aadmi Party who were in jail, and then when they are released out on bail. So now usually what Aam Aadmi Party does is that they visit Rajghat, they go to Hanuman Mandir, and then the leader addresses the party worker, and this is what a similar pattern is being followed by Manish Sisodia, who is currently at Rajghat. We'll also try to show you the visuals from Rajghat, where senior leaders along with Sisodia are still present at Rajghat. Prior to this, they also offered the prayers at the Hanuman Mandir, and then now they have come over here at Rajghat, and post this, the team of Aam Aadmi Party, the leaders of Aam Aadmi Party, the former deputy CM of the national capital, will be going to the party headquarters and will be addressing the party workers and the media as well. Now, as far as the question of the messaging comes, so yes, Aam Aadmi Party wants to send a message that party is still united, no matter what the leaders are, even if their leaders are put in jail, even if their chief minister remains to be in jail. Number one, the party is united. Number two, again, the elections are going to come in the national capital. So for that also, they need to reorganize their cadre. They need to strengthen their base. They need to gather again their revamp their organizational structure. So this will certainly be a big boost and will also increase the confidence in the workers because Sisodia remains to be number two. This is a known fact that though Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, the chief of Aam Aadmi Party, is in jail, but still number two remains to be Manish Sisodia, and after 17 months he has walked out on bail from Tihar jail. So yes, now certainly Sisodia will be holding big responsibilities. Yes, he could not be reinducted in fact into the cabinet because of certain reasons. Because the chief minister himself is in jail, so Sisodia could not be reinducted in the cabinet. But yes, he will be there and will be playing a major role from the backstage. He will be guiding the ministers, will be participating in all the key meetings, will be also representing the party while they meet the India bloc leaders, will be taking the decisions as to with whom party will be allying or not. But all eyes on the speech that Manish Sisodia will be giving from the party headquarters at 12 noon today. That will be the first political speech, or in fact first official speech.
And all eyes will be on that speech which Manish Sisodia is going to give today because that's where we are expecting him to attack the central government as well. Is it going to be a completely political speech or not? We'll have to wait and watch. But thank you for getting us all these details. Politics on Manish Sisodia's bail is escalating. Aam Aadmi Party claims vindication. BJP says this is nothing but premature celebrations. A bail doesn't mean a clean chit. Listen into all the political reactions which have been pouring in.